The best way to make passive income right now is through real estate investing. If you're a complete beginner, do not worry. I'm going to break down from start to finish how to get started in this video. I honestly don't know why I'm doing this because 99% of you won't watch this till the end, but here we go. Step 1 is to pick an investing strategy and stick to it. See, there's 3 main ways you can make money real estate investing. First is fixing and flipping, when you buy a home, fix it up and sell it. Second is wholesaling, when you're the middleman between a buyer and a seller and make the difference. And third is rental property investing, when you buy a house and rent it out for passive income. You need to pick one and stick to it because each one has their own formulas and methods, and if you don't, you'll be overwhelmed. Step 2 is to pick a location to invest in based on data. You're going to want to look up these factors: crime rate, unemployment rate, population growth, the price to rent ratio, the property taxes, and if it's in a landlord-friendly state or not. You can use a spreadsheet like this one to compare all of the cities and all of their data. You're going to rank them and then pick the best one. Step 3 is to get the financing in order. You can learn about different types of loans, and then literally all you have to do is call up a bank and ask them to get pre-approved for a mortgage. You're going to call them and literally say this: "Hey, I'm looking to buy an investment property, insert city here. I was hoping that I could get pre-approved for a mortgage." They're going to ask you about your credit score, if you have a stable job, if you have savings for the down payment. All you got to do is give them the answers. At the end of this, you'll end up with a pre-approval letter that shows how much money you can actually get a house for. The last step is to analyze deals and make offers. Go to Zillow and start looking at houses in the city you want to invest in. Call a real estate agent, and you're going to ask them to set up automated listings. This way you can get properties as soon as they hit the market. When a property comes on the market, it's your job to analyze the property to see if it'll make you a profit. First, add up the rents for the property. Then you subtract all of the expenses shown on screen here. When you find one that makes a good amount of cash flow and cash on cash return on investment, make an offer. And then you're literally going to keep repeating the last step over and over again until you find one that gets accepted. In less than 2 years of starting, I was able to go from 0 to 10K in revenue from my rental properties. Hit that follow button so we can all become financially free together.